Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. One of the reasons breakfast burritos are so popular is their incredible versatility. Unlike many breakfast dishes that follow a strict recipe, a breakfast burrito allows you to mix and match ingredients based on your personal preferences. You can keep it simple with just eggs and cheese or create a fully loaded version with vegetables, potatoes, meats, beans, herbs, and flavorful sauces. Every burrito can be unique, making it a meal that never becomes boring. The story of the breakfast burrito is closely connected to the traditional burrito, which originated in northern Mexico. Over time, people in the southwestern United States began filling tortillas with classic breakfast foods like scrambled eggs, cheese, bacon, and potatoes. Eventually, this simple idea became a beloved breakfast option found in homes, restaurants, cafes, and food trucks. Today, countless regional variations exist, each offering its own special twist. The tortilla is the foundation of every breakfast burrito. Most recipes use a large flour tortilla because it is soft, flexible, and sturdy enough to hold all the delicious fillings. Warming the tortilla before assembling the burrito makes it easier to fold without cracking or tearing. A warm tortilla also tastes softer and enhances the overall eating experience. Scrambled eggs are usually the centerpiece of the filling. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamins, and important nutrients that help support the body's daily activities. Many people appreciate eggs because they cook quickly and pair well with almost any ingredient. The secret to fluffy scrambled eggs is cooking them slowly over medium or low heat while stirring gently. This creates soft, creamy curds instead of dry, rubbery eggs. Some cooks like to add a splash of milk or cream before whisking the eggs, creating an even softer texture. Others prefer seasoning the eggs with a little salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, or smoked paprika. Fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or chives can also brighten the flavor. Cheese plays an important role in creating a rich and creamy breakfast burrito. As the hot eggs melt the cheese, every bite becomes smooth and satisfying. Cheddar cheese is one of the most common choices because of its sharp flavor. Monterey Jack melts beautifully and provides a mild taste. Pepper Jack adds a little spice, while mozzarella creates long, stretchy cheese pulls that many people enjoy. Potatoes are another classic ingredient. Crispy diced potatoes or golden hash browns add texture and make the burrito more filling. Some cooks season the potatoes with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, or chili powder before frying or roasting them until crispy. Sweet potatoes have also become a popular alternative because they offer natural sweetness and additional nutrients. Breakfast meats add even more flavor. Crispy bacon provides a smoky crunch that contrasts perfectly with the soft eggs. Breakfast sausage offers rich seasoning and a savory bite. Ham contributes a slightly sweet flavor, while chorizo adds bold spices and vibrant color. Turkey bacon and turkey sausage provide leaner alternatives for people looking to reduce fat while still enjoying plenty of flavor. Vegetables make breakfast burritos more colorful, nutritious, and delicious. Bell peppers add sweetness and crunch. Red, yellow, and orange peppers make the filling especially vibrant. Onions become soft and slightly sweet when cooked. Mushrooms contribute an earthy flavor, while spinach adds vitamins and minerals without overpowering the other ingredients. Tomatoes provide freshness, and corn adds tiny bursts of sweetness. Black beans and pinto beans are popular additions because they increase both protein and fiber. Beans help keep you feeling full longer and create a satisfying texture. They are especially valuable for vegetarian breakfast burritos, where they replace meat while still providing important nutrients. Rice is another ingredient that some people enjoy adding. Although not traditional in every breakfast burrito, seasoned rice helps stretch the filling and makes the burrito even more substantial. Brown rice provides additional fiber, while Spanish rice introduces extra flavor through tomatoes, onions, and spices. Avocados are loved for their creamy texture and healthy fats. Fresh avocado slices or homemade guacamole create a smooth contrast to crispy potatoes and crunchy vegetables. Avocados also provide potassium, fiber, and heart-healthy fats that support overall wellness. Salsa is one of the easiest ways to add freshness and excitement. Fresh pico de gallo combines tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and peppers into a colorful topping. Roasted tomato salsa offers a deeper flavor, while green salsa made with tomatillos brings a bright and tangy taste. For people who enjoy heat, spicy salsas made with jalapenos, serranos, or habaneros create an exciting kick. Hot sauce is another favorite addition. Every brand has its own unique blend of peppers and spices. Some hot sauces deliver smoky flavors, while others focus on pure heat. Adding only a few drops allows you to control the spice level according to your own preference. That covers the story behind the breakfast burrito and the ingredients that make it so delicious. Next, we'll explore different variations, cooking tips, meal prep ideas, and creative ways to make your own perfect breakfast burrito. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.